Improve your English listening. Hello and welcome to English with Altaf. In this video, we are going to learn how to improve your English listening skills. Listening is one of the most important parts of language learning, and today we will share many useful tips to help you understand English better.
That's right. Many learners say they can read and write, but they struggle to understand spoken English. The good news is that listening can be improved with the right methods and daily practice. In this video, we will talk about simple steps that will make listening easier and more enjoyable.
Let's begin by understanding why listening feels difficult. English sounds very different from the way it looks on paper. Native speakers connect words, speak quickly, and use phrases that don't always match grammar books. For example, instead of saying going to, they say gonna. If you only study from books, you will be surprised when you hear real conversations.
Exactly. That's why the first step to improve listening is exposure. You must listen to English every day. Just like children learn their first language by listening for years before they speak, you also need daily input. Even 10 or 15 minutes of listening each day can build strong understanding over time.
Yes, and it's not about listening once in a while. Consistency is the key. Choose materials you enjoy, like podcasts, YouTube videos, or TV shows. If you enjoy the content, you will listen more, and your brain will start catching patterns naturally.
Another important point is to start with clear and simple audio. If you are a beginner and start directly with movies full of slang and fast speech, you will feel frustrated. Begin with slower, clearer English, such as English learning podcasts or news for learners. Later, you can move to movies, dramas, and natural conversations.
Yes, step by step makes it easier. One powerful technique to improve listening is called active listening. That means you don't just play English in the background. You focus carefully. Listen to a short clip, pause, repeat, and try to understand every word. You can even write down what you hear. This active effort makes your ears sharper.
That's true, but passive listening also has value. You can play English music, radio, or podcast while cooking, walking, or driving. Even if you don't catch every word, your brain is getting used to the sound of English, so a mix of active and passive listening is the best approach.
Yes, both are important. Another great exercise is shadowing. You listen to a speaker and immediately repeat what they say, copying their pronunciation and rhythm. This not only improves speaking, but also helps your listening because you pay attention to every sound.
Shadowing is very powerful. At first, it may feel difficult, but after some days, your ears start recognizing words much faster. It also teaches you how native speakers connect words. For example, did you eat often sounds like did you eat. Shadowing helps you notice these natural changes.
Exactly. And don't worry if you don't understand every word. Even native speakers don't catch every single word in a fast conversation. The goal is to understand the main idea. With practice, you will naturally fill in the missing parts.
Yes, understanding the main idea is more important than understanding every word. For example, if someone says, I'm starving, let's grab something. Even if you don't know the word starving, you can guess they are hungry. Context gives you meaning, so train yourself to listen for the overall idea.
That's a very good point. Another way to improve listening is to use subtitles. At first, you can watch videos with English subtitles. This helps you connect sounds with written words. After some time, try watching without subtitles to test your progress.
Yes, subtitles are a good tool, but you should not depend on them forever. Use them like a helper at the beginning and then slowly reduce. Otherwise, your brain will keep reading instead of listening.
Pronunciation practice also improves listening. When you practice speaking and pronouncing correctly, Your ears become more sensitive to those sounds. If you never practice pronunciation, it will be harder to catch similar sounds when others speak.
That's right. Listening and speaking are connected. For example, if you practice saying would you as wouldaja, you will recognize it easily when others say it fast. So speaking practice is also listening practice.
Another tip is to listen to different accents. English is spoken all over the world, and people have different ways of pronouncing words. At first, focus on one accent, like American or British, but later try to listen to different accents so you can understand English globally.
Yes, that's very important. If you only understand one accent, you may struggle when meeting someone from another country. Listening to a variety of speakers makes you flexible. You don't need to understand everything, but you should be able to follow the main idea.
Let's also talk about patience. Many learners expect fast results, but listening takes time. Your ears need training. If you listen daily for 1 month, you will notice some improvement. If you continue for 6 months, you will see a big change. Consistency and patience are the secret.
Yes, listening is like building muscles. You cannot go to the gym once and become strong. You need daily exercise. So don't give up after 1 week. Keep going and you will definitely improve.
Let's share a simple daily routine for our viewers. First, listen to English for at least 15 minutes every day. Second, choose one short audio for active listening. Pause and repeat. Third, do shadowing for 2 minutes. Fourth, listen passively while doing other tasks. Fifth, test yourself weekly by watching something without subtitles.
That's an excellent routine. And I will add one more. Enjoy the process. If you only listen to boring materials, you will stop. Choose topics you love, like sports, cooking, travel, or technology. When you enjoy the topic, your brain learns faster.
Yes, enjoyment is important. Learning is not just about discipline, it is also about motivation. If you listen to something you love, you will want to continue.
So, let's summarize today's lesson. We learned that listening is difficult because spoken English is fast and connected. To improve, you need daily exposure, both active and passive, shadowing, using subtitles, practicing pronunciation, and listening to different accents all help.
We also learned that it's important to focus on the main idea, not every word. We must be patient, consistent, and enjoy the process. With these habits, listening will improve step by step, and soon you will understand English conversations more easily.
That's right. Listening is the key to fluency. The more you listen, the more you understand, and the more confident you become.
Thank you for joining us today on English with Altaf. We hope these tips help you improve your listening skills.
Keep practicing every day and you will see progress. We'll see you in the next video with more simple and helpful lessons to improve your English.